Good morning, dear students. Today we shall learn linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. In earlier class, we have studied in linear equation in one variable, linear equation in one variable, linear equation in one variables, general form ax plus b equal to 0. A and B are real number and A not equal to 0. Linear equation in one variable ax plus b equal to 0, where A and B are real number and A not equal to 0. Today's topic, linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. So linear equation in two variables, general form linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Today we shall learn linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables, general form, standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where A and B are real number, numbers and A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0. A and B not equal to 0, where A equal to 0, then by plus c, linear equation in one variable. So where A and B are real numbers, A and B not equal to 0. For example of linear equation in two variables, x plus y equal to 3. X plus y, linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable, the equation in which there are two variable of degree 1 is called linear equation in two variable. This equation, two variable x and y, two variables degree is 1 and equal sign use x plus y equal to 3. For example is linear equation in two variable x plus y. Other, for example, 2x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Two variables x, y, variables power 1, variables highest power 1, degree variables, two variables degree is 1, and two variable and equal sign use, then 2x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0 is linear equation in two variables. And 2.5 minus 2.5x minus y equal to 1. Two variables, 2.5x x minus y equal to 1, linear equation in two variable. So general form of linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c equal to 0. First, linear equation in two variables equation given 2x plus 3y equal to 5, 2x plus 3y equal to 5, change the general form of linear equation in two variable and find the value of a, b and c. So linear equation in two variables general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Change 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Change the equation in the general form of a linear equation in two variable 2x plus 3y 5 transfer minus 5 equal to 0. Comparing the general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, coefficient of x is a and 2x. So x का coefficient of x is 2 and a equal to 2. Comparing on general form of linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c, coefficient of x 2, coefficient of y is 3, coefficient of x is a, so a equal to 2, and comparing b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 5. So a, b and c find the value of a, b, c. So comparing general form and find a, b and c. Next we solve some question in exercise 4. First question first. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen, twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables of represent this statement. Represent this statement. Exercise 4, first question. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. A statement given, the cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variable of representing this statement. जो स्टेटमेंट हमें गिवन है उस स्टेटमेंट से मैं लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटिंग दिस स्टेटमेंट. सॉल्यूशन. Let the cost of a notebook equal to x and cost of a pen equal to y. The cost of a notebook equal to x rupees and cost of a pen equal to y rupees, and according to question the cost of a notebook is twice का मतलब double, twice means double. A cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. एक पेन की cost से notebook की price जो है वो double है. According to question cost of notebook equal to x equal to twice the cost of pen, cost of pen is y and twice the cost of pen 2, x equal to 2y. 2y का ट्रांसफर x minus 2y equal to 0. This equation is a linear equation in two variable x minus 2y equal to 0. Next question. Next question. Express the following linear equation in form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicates the value of a, b and c in each case. First, 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35. Second, minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Third, x equal to 3y. Fourth, 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Express the following linear equation in form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. First question, 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35. Change this equation in a general form of linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Solution, 2x plus 3y 9.35 transfer either plus minus 9.35 equal to 0, and general form of linear equation in two variables ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Comparing coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of x is a, and a equal to 2, b equal to coefficient of y b, and given equation coefficient of y equal to coefficient of y is 3 and b value of b equal to 3, and c constant number, c value is minus 9.35. Next, minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Change in general form, minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Comparing general form of linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Comparing x coefficient minus 2, a equal to minus 2, b equal to 3, c equal to minus 6. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, linear equation in two variables general form, and given equation minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6 transfer to minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Coefficient of x is a, coefficient of x is minus 2, comparing a equal to minus 2. Coefficient of y equal to b, comparing b equal to 3. C constant number minus 6. Next, x 3y minus equal to 0. Change in ax plus by plus c equal to 0, x minus 3y plus 0 equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Comparing coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 1, and comparing a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, and x minus 3y equal to 0, c constant number, c equal to 0. 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Given equation, one variable in one variable, linear equation in one variable. Given equation, linear equation in one variable x. Change linear equation in form ax plus by plus c, and 3x plus 0 y plus 2 equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Comparing a equal to 3, b equal to 0, c equal to constant number 2. A coefficient of x, b coefficient of y, and c constant number. So coefficient of x 3, coefficient of y b equal to 0, and constant number 2, c equal to 2. Dear students, next class we learn a solution of linear equation in two variables. Thank you.